paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a paper plane today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will need an origami paper. Why don't we fold it into half? And after that, let's make two triangles inwards, which means we will take both the sides and get it till the center line. After that, let's repeat the same step for both the sides. Let's open it and do the same thing. We will make sure that all the folds are done properly. Why don't we do the same thing on the left side as well? And now, why don't we fold the tip and then fold the paper plane into half. Now let's make the wing. Why don't we fold this paper outwards and make the wing? And our paper plane is ready. Why don't we keep it aside and start making the launcher? For this, we have cut an A4 size into two equal parts and then we have taken one part of it. Now, let's fold it into half and then let's fold this part outwards. Once we are done with this, we will fold this part on top. Remember, you need to fold it from side to side. Let's fold it properly and now we will need a rubber band. Yes, let's staple this rubber band right on top. And now, why don't we take this rubber band and get it up like this? Alright, now let's place our rocket on the launcher and here we go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.